No way. First cast. No way. Got a fish. No way. Oh, we're off. Oh no, we might be in trouble. We got an absolute buttload of rain last night. So I don't know what it's gonna do to the fishing, but we're about to find out. No way. First cast. First cast. Got a little rock bass on the bellows gill. First cast on the bellows gill free rig. Got a rock bass. Yeah, I'm having trouble with this thing casting to the left, and it may be because, I mean, this is the rod I broke. I still haven't got my replacement in, so maybe missing that tip is giving me a little bit of trouble. I'll be getting my replacement in this week though. So I just switched over to the Stealth Crawl from X-Zone on one of the, and put that on one of the BMC swinging Neds. And we'll see if the billows gill was giving us trouble, or if the rain is giving us trouble, the flooded conditions. Holy crap, he's got me in that wood. Holy crap. This feels like a good one, guys. Oh my goodness, it's a good one. Oh my goodness, guys. Trying to get somewhere to put my pole down. Holy crap. Look at this largie. And I was sitting here starting to think we weren't going to catch anything today. I switched over to that Fire Tiger spinnerbait because they weren't wanting to eat anything on the bottom, and just caught this chunker, man. What a nice fish. Thank you so much, dude. Let's let him go. Whew. Now that's my PB in the creek. 100%. I didn't think I was going to get him in for a minute. He got around that log because I had my drag set a little loose. I was able to pull him out though. Fishing that Booyah Pond Magic spinnerbait and Fire Tiger color, and I just have that single tail grub on the back. Man, he bent my spinnerbait all up though. What an awesome fish, guys. That made my day. So this spot has produced 2 of the best fish I've ever caught in the creek. I wasn't able to wade all the way down here because of how high the water is. It gets super deep back over there. I mean, you'll be up to your neck trying to get to it. But right over here, you have that spring coming in off the side of the mountain. And then you've got a log sitting here and an undercut bank. The smallmouth, the big smallmouth I caught was on that undercut bank. And that largie was in that tree, man. I was really starting to think, throwing that Ned rig around, that we might not get into any action today. But I thought, you know what, let me try this. Let me try to do a bright Fire Tiger spinnerbait and just see if I can get their attention. And it worked. I guess just the water being a little bit muddier and muckier than what it typically is. They needed a little thump and a little bit more color to eat it. I highly doubt there'll be another fish on that tree. Normally when I catch a quality fish like that off of something, that's the only fish that's there. But we'll make another cast down it just to see. Just to make sure. What in the world? He hit that on the fall, like as soon as it hit the water. That was crazy. I couldn't tell what was going on because I literally just had started trying to reel it. A little bitty rock bass. Okay, so the Fire Tiger spinnerbait seems to have been the move. We getting some action now. No way! I just got hit again. Dude, I ain't had one bite with that Ned rig. That's it, man. The water's just a little muckier. They're still in here willing to eat. I had to switch over to something that they could see and feel, I guess, that thump from that blade. The chartreuse on this dude. That's what they're wanting. No way. Again, I didn't even have time to reel the thing, man. They hit it as soon as it hit the daggum water. Smalley. Nice little smallmouth. This is crazy. All right, I'm gonna try to work my way on down. Feel like it's about to get deep. Maybe not. Trying to hold close to the bank. Can't really see the bottom through here, which is always challenging. Got a fish. Got another one, boys. Oh, it's another good one too. Golly, it's a smallie. He's fighting hard. Come on now. Woo! Oh, this is a pretty smallie. Yes, sir. All right, where's your hook at? Another super nice smallie. Got something on his tail. Look at his tail. Man, this turned out to be a pretty good day of fishing. Yes, sir. Let's let him go. Fire Tiger spinnerbait. Can't say no to it. I've got to turn this show around, guys. I've made it about as far as I can make it for today. I've got a birthday party I have to get to, but I'm actually really surprised with the quality of fish that we caught out of here today. Of course, you know, I'm going to fish my way back out, so there's a chance we could get a couple of more. But I didn't know what to expect coming down here, to be honest, after that storm we had yesterday evening. I mean, it dumped a bunch of rain. Don't mind me, I'm just walking down a tree. And it's rolling. Oh gosh. Well, that was rotten. No way. Oh, we're on. Feels like another good one. Oh my goodness. Well, it's not a good one, but we'll take him. I mean, it's a good one for what it is. Little rock bass. I swear, I don't know why, he felt a lot bigger. No way, boys. Oh no, we might be in trouble. He's got me on that tree. Oh gosh. Come on. Come off of there. Gonna have to go get him. Oh no. He spit it. Dang it. Golly, that was another good one, boys. I mean, another 10, 12 inch smallie. Had me all in that tree. We're on. Another little rock bass. We'll take him. It's another fish. There we go. Rock bass, what, number 3 for the day? That's a wrap. We got to get out of here. I got to get to the birthday party. But that actually turned out to be a pretty epic little creek fishing session. I was not expecting the bites that I got and the quality of the fish that we found today, especially after that storm yesterday. But once I figured out what they were munching on, it was game over. That little Fire Tiger spinnerbait. And I've tried it. I would link it in the description. But I found it at Academy and Bass Pro. If you look at Tackle Warehouse, they only offer it in 3/16. But I found it at Academy and Bass Pro in a 1/8 ounce. which is about perfect for these little creeks. Like I said, it's the Booyah Pond Magic, and just a little single tail grub that I got out of the crappie section with a little chartreuse tail on it. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, guys. We're trying to get this thing to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it. And we'll catch you on the next one.